Here's a review for the BANGSON refrigerator model USB SR101. It's a 3.2 cubic feet. This is the box that it came in. And here is the actual fridge. BANGSON comes with a little ice tray and the user manual, and this is some type of ice scraper, I guess, that you scrape from the freezer area. It's an energy guide. Is 206 kilowatts an hour, and estimated yearly energy cost is $25, which is relatively good. Plugged it in a few days ago, and it does fit a lot for this size fridge, the 3.2 cubic feet. This is just a little bit of what I put in. I left this area empty so I can show you this panel here. You can hire it with the high, medium, low, and the lowest here. And this is like a vegetable or fruit drawer. And this is the freezer compartment. Open it, slide it in. Right now it's on 5. It's temperature control. So I have several fridges in my house, and this is definitely convenient. It weighs almost nothing. It's very portable. You can move it anywhere you want. It's very light, compact, and definitely fits.
All right, guys, this is the fridge. As you can see, this is the consumption of the electricity per year, and it's not too bad. 206 kilowatt per hour estimated yearly consumption. Not bad at all. It comes sealed, of course, and here's a look from the inside. I haven't tested it yet, but from the initial look, it's really matching what I expected from the description. Here's the side door. Definitely can fit beers, drinks, stuff like that. Nothing too major. And I was really impressed by the compressor at the bottom here. This shows that it can provide optimum performance. I would expect so. I'll be evaluating in a couple days, and I'll be posting my reviews on it. Here is some details about the fridge. And
so far so good. Very cold on 5. Lots of space, drinks, drawer, and freezer.
Reasons that are both expedient politically and also deeply psychological is alienate an administration, among other things, an administration that is predisposed, obviously, to support Israel's right to fight and even dismantle Hamas. So it's extraordinary. Psychologically, it's interesting. It's almost as if Netanyahu needs to create conditions for himself where he's.
Now this is fresh out the box. I literally just got it out the box and put it in my classroom. And this is fresh out the box. And this is what was on. I don't know if you can see it. It's the mold. It looks like mold. I just got it today. It was late and now it has mold in it. This is disgusting.